India's national anthem Janaganamana was first sung on December 27th at the Calcutta session of the Indian National Congress. The song was written in Bengali by Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore and first sung by his niece in her school assembly. The song was later sung by Tagore himself at Besant Theosophical College in Madanapalli, Andhra Pradesh on February 28, 1919. The Constituent Assembly adopted the Hindi version of the song as India's national anthem on January 24, 1950. Before becoming the national anthem, the song was also featured in the 1945 film Hum Rahi. The song Janaganamana was first printed under the title Bharat Vidata in Tattvabodhini Patrika in January 1912. It takes about 52 seconds for its total completion.